How to change password in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your password in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com, that is the official website of Roblox. Once you're there, log into your specific account. And now to change your password, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. Once you're in the settings page, go to account info, and there you will see the section of password. Tap on this pencil icon next to it, and then enter the current password which is associated with your account in the first field. Then type in a new password that you'd like to set and also confirm the same password in the third field. Now tap on update, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. This is how it's easy to change password in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.